Hey gang, we're going on a little road trip. I'm going to leave you guys guessing until the very end where we're going. About 2 hours away, so you guys just kick back, relax, and enjoy the scenery on the way up there. Hey! Driving. I'm still headed north. Where am I going? What am I going to look at? Well, while we're headed up that way, I had a few thoughts running through my mind. Wishes. Shoulda, coulda, wouldas. There's so many vehicles from my past that I wish I still had. I mean, growing up, I bought them for next to nothing. They were just your average, half-decent, daily driver muscle cars. If only I'd have kept them. There are 6 vehicles that I can think of that I wished I'd have kept. 72 Vega GT, 66 Buick Skylark, thin pillar business coupe, 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark, 1976 El Camino Super Sport, 1994 Impala Super Sport, 1973 Honda CB350 twin. Even though I've got Big Bill, Siri's telling me I got a lane closed ahead. Wish I'd have never gotten rid of that motorcycle, but in hard times you do what you have to do. But this trip has just got me thinking down memory lane. But anyway, that'll give you guys something to think about for a little bit while we continue our little trek. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, if you sneeze, you'll miss it. Pulling into a tiny little town. Still on my way north. What the name of this tiny little fart town is. Has a volunteer fire department. Green Township. Got a pretty nice old church sitting there. Alright, we're still rocking and rolling. Still got about 60 miles to go, give or take. Still cruising down the road. Getting closer with every passing mile. I'm about 35 minutes from my destination. Then maybe I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. Then again, I may make you wait until I get back home. And speaking of home, I'm going to be taking a little detour into Kokomo, Indiana to visit with my good buddy Muggsy for a little while. Then we'll get home and see what we get into. See whether or not I have decided to go ahead and get what I'm going to look at. I'm about 80%, but who knows? Looks can be deceiving, right? See you guys in a bit. Alright gang, we're about 15 minutes out now. Won't be long. Hope these clouds hold out. Looking a little bit like rain up here. The name of the town I'm going to is Winnemac. So I'm surrounded by corn on both sides. I got a green truck in front of me. Guy behind me that likes to tailgate. I haven't brake checked him yet, but if he keeps it up, I will. Anyway, we're almost there. Hey gang, close up. We're gonna roll mileage over on the way back home from Winnemac. Milestone, 130,000 miles. Not bad for a 25-year-old car, huh? Alright, we are less than 10 minutes out. I might let you guys see what's up when I get there. Be right back. I know this isn't telling you much at all, is it? But I'm here. See you guys on the flip side. Hey gang, back from Winnemac. Stopped off my buddy Muggsy's and he had a hay trolley for me. So I'm gonna look that guy up. I've also got a little over 4 feet of track and the pulley. How cool is that? And I've got a couple of these hangers and a couple of other pieces somewhere in this very messy shop. So what did I do up in Winnemac? Did you guys do any thinking on what I said earlier? Well, you guys remember I decided to go ahead and rename the Bill to Big Bill to match that lighter. Well, there was more than one reason that I wanted to do that, to rename it Big Bill. And that was because of what I went up to Winnemac to see. You see the tire? That is Little Bill. It's almost just a glorified bicycle. But I took my camera, or my phone rather, turned my GPS on to compare it with the speedometer. And the speedometer is actually accurate. I had this sucker up to 65 miles an hour. So what is it? Well, it's blue. And it's a Honda. And I was looking for one that was ratted out. But did I get one that was ratted out? Well, yeah, if you want to count that little tear and the baffle in the muffler being loose. 1974 CB 125S. Isn't that a pretty thing? What's up with me getting all these bikes with windshields? I'm not going to argue it. This one came, it's a nice windshield too. But let's kick it over. What do you say? I have to relocate that key, won't I? This is kick start only. Let's see if we can get this in there. Kicks over like a dream. Really, really easy. Starts right up. 3,120 miles on it. Sit there and purrs like a kitten. Does not leak anything anywhere. It's dirty. It's really dirty. You can see the wheel. But everything works on it. High beam, low beam, turn signals. The lights in the turn signal light works. The high beam light and neutral safety light do not. It's a nice windshield. You really don't even know it's there, except for when a really big bug hits it. Kind of cool. I used to not be a fan of windshields, but now I am. Chrome's in real nice shape. Even the rubber boots are in exceptional shape. This thing came up from Georgia. And this last inspection sticker on this, 1982 in Georgia. How long did the bike sit? I don't know. Do not know. But I do know it's the second bike with brand spanking new tires on the front and the back. One less thing I have to get. Now, I was looking for a bike to turn into a cafe racer. This one's almost too nice to turn into a cafe racer. But if I'm careful in how I do it, I can do it without cutting into the bike. I can either do a cafe or a brat. If I do a brat, the side covers can stay on. I don't have to worry too much about lightening the load. But this thing ran 65 miles an hour compared on my phone. It just really shocked me. I did not expect this little 125 to do as well as it did. Just a little one single cylinder. Cute little bugger, isn't it? Let's step back, take a little closer, or take a little farther away look. And this bike will also help keep me from putting tons of miles on Big Bill. So I'll put the miles on Little Bill. Neat and nifty. Yeah, Zippo's pretty psyched about this one. Pretty psyched about it. I don't know what we've got down here. Just a little sticker. Caution, overflow tube, battery breather tube. Ah, see, the battery breather tube must have leaked some acid on here. The gentleman that I got it from picked it up for his wife so that she could get accustomed to riding. She is now accustomed to riding and now is ready to step up to a larger bike. She had this for a whopping 2 months and 10 days. Well, 2 months and almost 3 weeks. 2 months and almost 3 weeks, or 2 weeks, excuse me. So, not for very long at all, and she was already ready to step up. I just think it's neat and nifty. So I'll give her a bath tomorrow. We've got some weather moving in, so I won't have a ton of good weather to ride in, but what do you guys think? Is it a winner? Winner chicken dinner? Cute for a little putt about. Alright, that's enough of that. You guys tell me if you'd rather that I put this build and Little Bill and Big Bill over on my other YouTube channel. I'll do that, but it's still a small engine. In fact, it's a smaller CC engine than most of the other engines that I mess with, than my Briggs engines. Whopping 17, all right, 17 horsepower. It's kind of funny, isn't it? Guess I can turn the key off now, huh? Oh, it was off. That's the only key, so I got to order some keys, get them cut. Now all I'm doing is just sitting here staring at it like I did with Big Bill. Isn't that funny? Cute little bugger. Alright, that's enough of that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's Zippo later. I'm out of here.